Hi, Leo. He says I have the hiccups, but otherwise my eyes are open. Hi, baby. And Mom's talking to me? What's she saying? She's talking about your little mohawk. And how it's your first night home? How's that gonna go? How's that gonna go? Okay, so bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.